Here at the press preview of EMO Hannover 2025, you can see a lot of companies. 26 companies are sharing what they are going to exhibit at EMO Hannover 2025.
We show four machines, three machines with automation part, like robot system, handling system, and a small robot system, and also a machine as an MT variant, mill turn variant. We stay on the EMO this year in Hall 12 and booth C30. Visit us on EMO. We stay there with machines, salesperson, and a lot of food.
One of our highlights in EMO 2025 is the second generation of Equator. We are showing Equator X. Equator X is completing the Equator family, and it offers now both principles of measuring. We have the compare measuring working as a gauge, and we also have absolute measuring. Additionally on it, we have a new mechanical construction which allows much higher speed while measuring. So we're looking at 250 millimeters per second in absolute measurement and up to 500 millimeters per second in compare. Our new software comes with it. It's Modus IM and also the new central software which allows to monitor the status of the equipment and all data. And the new software, of course, also works with all the current Equator models. What's special about Modus IM coming up is the ease of use. For us, it was very important to respond on the less skill set we're finding in manufacturers, to respond with tools and software that are easy to use. So it's very easy to program a part, it's very easy to operate Equator on the shop floor, and therefore we expect that also small factories finally can use Equator as a quality inspection tool directly next to their machine tools.